everyone, so today I'm gonna be transforming my room into a more fall related room, and so I'm gonna give you an overview on how my room looks like right now, because it's basically more like summer slash spring inspired. So I'm gonna change that today and I'm gonna make it more fall inspired, because I feel like my room needs a little bit of a change. And if you know me, I love decorating my room all the time. Like, I can't stop. So we're gonna start first with me giving you an overview, and let's do that right now.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city. Had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me, hey, got the...
Okay, so since the last time I did a clean my room with me video, I've changed some stuff up, like this table. I decided to put this mandala tapestry here to cover the table, and I don't know, these are the changes that I've made so far. Those are some of the decorations that we will be using for this video. We're gonna change some of this stuff up, like for example my flower wall. So first of all, I think I'm gonna change this tapestry, and because it's not spring slash summer anymore, I think that I should put something more fall related. And I got this at Walmart, and I don't know, I feel like this is really pretty, so it's gonna go there on my wall. I'm tired. Okay, so now for the next thing. I am gonna rearrange my flower wall because it's now all messed up. All of the flowers have fallen out from the wall. And what I need to do next is to put more like fall flowers, so I got some flowers from Walmart, and these are like sunflowers and then some like fall leaves like this one. So that's what I'm gonna put in my wall. Okay, this is what my room's looking like so far, and I'm gonna change my bedding too and my pillows, because those are very summery and it's not summer anymore, so we need to change that up. Now for one of the hardest parts, I'm gonna change that tapestry from there, and I'm gonna put this, which is orange, which goes really good with the theme that I'm going for. So hopefully it looks fine, but it's gonna be hard because I have a lot of stuff there, and I honestly don't like that corner of my room. That is my least favorite corner from my room, and it is going to be a hot mess to try to put this there, so wish me luck. Okay, so are y'all ready for the final review?